Hey guys, welcome back to my channel once again. And in this video, I'm just going to give you the entire P&L of June month. And before that, I will also tell you the ROI and everything. I was dealing with around close to 10 lakhs of capital. And I've jumped my capital from close to around 10 lakhs to 16 to 17 lakhs as of now from July. And the aim is to again generate just 3% ROI every single month. And let's just get started with it. Before I tell you all of that, a little background check about myself. I am a full-time employee, a full-time student, and also trying to trade along the way. So yeah, it gets quite hectic, and at times I'm not happy with my performance, given a few of the segments in here. So we'll be conveying you all of that as well, and my key takeaway points in this video. So let's just get started with equity. The date is of 1st June to 1st July. These are the cash swings. I'm a positional player, so I'm always playing cash and cash to swings and positional, and whether it be even FN or anything. So I'll be booking this profits today by, I mean, not today, but yeah, eventually soon. But the 11,000 rupees profit in here, and realize is 17.61K. So given that all of it, it's close to around 18 or 19,000. So a 1.9 percentage return over here, and then comes to around futures and options, the same date, it's close to around 13,500. So given that overall I have achieved around close to 3.1 or 3 percentage of returns in here. But the thing is that I'm not quite satisfied when it comes to FNO, because I could have done much more better in here, given the kind of trades I have replicated, and just if I've been a little bit more patient. But I could not complain, because I used to, I generally always travel as well, like 2 weeks of my one of the month because of office work. So yep, this is the entire update. 3% ROI given futures and options and equity. Currency I really don't trade as of now, but let's see. But commodities, yeah, I've started again. This is just a error trade, so yeah, you can just these brokerages pretty much ate it up, nothing much. And this is basically the unrealized profit and loss statements from the trades, a swing trade which I took in gold, which I'm not expecting to give me targets anytime soon. So just in case, if I show you, this is the trade. And yes, I've taken quite a few positions for this month, which is running so far on cost, nothing much to deal with it in here. I can't even expect much from today itself, because yeah, these are all positional trading. And yeah, this is it pretty much, I would say. And just in case, if you want to know what's the idea behind all of these trades, how I'm basically trading, you can stick to this channel, just give it a subscribe, and probably hit the bell icon. And just in case, if you want to connect with me on social media or anywhere else, the links would be right in the description below. So yep, that's the entire story behind this, creating this video. And I hope you understand the pain behind going through all this kind of stress and everything. The key takeaways, I would say that I would have to be much more patient when it comes to option selling, and given especially the kind of VIX we are in, it's at 11.8 or something. And it was quite tough, I would say. And especially, like, sticking out to the trades post your analysis and not exiting too quickly. So yeah, that would be it, I would say, and nothing much more than that. Until next time, take care guys, stay safe, and happy trading. Bye bye.